Strengthen and Deepen activities are available on the online ParaMaths subscription. At the end of each unit, these activities will strengthen the understanding of children who need it and deepen the understanding of those children who need an additional challenge, helping keep the whole class together. You will find them on the unit planning page. Go to Planning and then navigate to your unit. Scroll down to the Assess section. The end of unit check will check children's understanding and help to expose where their misconceptions lie. You can then follow up with the Strengthen and Deepen activities. The Strengthen activities will address these misconceptions and support children who need it. They are designed to be teacher-led and have further assessment checkpoints included so that you can check children's understanding after the activity. If you need to go further back, you can use the prerequisites chart on the planning guidance page to find units and lessons to go back to. The Deepen activities will challenge those children who can gain a deeper and broader understanding. They are designed to be low threshold and high ceiling. They are provided as a printable worksheet so that they can be completed independently or with a partner. This gives you the option of using the Deepen at the same time as the Strengthen activity. These resources will help you ensure that every child understands and will help you keep the class moving forward together. For more information about using ParaMaths with children who are below age-related expectations, see the links in the description below this video.